In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your TikTok account. Maybe you are concerned of spending several hours on TikTok and you want to deactivate it temporarily. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your TikTok homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. On the top right corner, proceed to click on these three ellipses. A pop-up menu will appear. Proceed to select on settings and privacy. So this will land me on an interface like this, and I'll proceed to select on account. Under account, I have a list of menus. I'll proceed to tap on deactivate or delete account. Allow it a moment to finish loading. A caveat to call out: after deactivating your account, no one can see your content, including content that is stored in it. Reactivate your content and recover all content anytime. So you can proceed to tap on this. So you'll be given with a list of information. If you are satisfied with everything, you have to proceed to tap on deactivate, and congratulations, you have successfully deactivated your TikTok account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.